Here we have the typical sort of inverse proportion problem. If it takes 9 workers 36 days to construct a fence, how long will it take 3 workers to construct a fence, assuming they build at the same rate? So we've got split it up into workers and days as the two quantities. We've got 9 workers, and they will take 36 days, and we want to know how long it will take 3 workers. Right, so we want to know what number we're going to put here. So how do we go from 9 to 3? Is that we have to multiply by a third or divide by 3, though it is better to write it as a multiplication. Now, if the workers decrease, then logically, the number of days will increases. So if this goes down by 1/3, then this has to increase by the inverse of that, which is multiplying by 3 over 1, or multiplying by 3. And then we can say that the number of days is going to be 3 times 36, which is 72 days. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to use inverse proportion. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.